Let the peace that Christ give control your thinking. You are all called together in one body to have peace. Colossians 3 verse 15. I will be happy because of you. God Most High. I will sing praises to your name. Psalms 9 verse 2. Trust the Lord with all your heart. Don't depend on your understandings. Proverbs 3 verse 5. Noah pleased the Lord. Genesis 6 verse 8. Lord God says, I am the Alpha and the Omega, the one who was coming. I am the all-powerful. Revelations 1 verse 8. A man named Job in the land of Uz. He was honest man and innocent of any wrong. He honored God and stayed away from evil. Job 1 verse 1.